So this is a Wallace fountain, and they're found all over Paris. They provide drinkable water, so you can always bring a water bottle and fill it up wherever you are and you see one. I'm going to show you how to draw the fountain together. I'm going to start at the top here, and then I'm going to draw the overall shape before I get into the details of drawing the women. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the top, and I'm going to do a little, and then I want to make sure that I can show that these are angled. There's some layers. And like I said, I'm going to skip the women for now. I'll get a little bit of their shape. And now just focus on the bottom. Because definitely the most difficult part of this fountain, these beautiful fountains, are obviously to draw the women. So I will leave the most difficult part for last. So now I have the overall shape. Let's get those women in there, because they again are, or I'll start with the top, because again that's still easier than the women. Okay, now we will get the women in there. So I love that this woman is sort of holding up the fountain. So I'm going to get her face and her arms, because that's sort of the most important thing. Her arms are strongly holding up. And then her shape. So very simple. So you can't tell it's a woman now, but once I get my smaller pen out, I will make some of the details. So now that I've got the overall shape, now let's just add the details.